So hello friends, welcome to online lecture series. This is the 11th lecture of your unit number 1, that is wave mechanics. Okay, previous lecture we studied that the main theory is particle in three-dimensional box. Okay, so first we derived Schrodinger equation for particle in three-dimensional box. Then after wave function for particle in three-dimensional box. Then a degeneracy and final rectangular box. Okay, so we completed particle in three-dimensional box in our previous lecture. So in this lecture I will calculate some numerical which are based on particle in one-dimensional as well as particle in three-dimensional. Okay, so in this lecture I will calculate some numericals for particle in one-dimensional as well as particle in three-dimensional box. Okay, so first question is, calculate the lowest energy of particle moving in one-dimensional box of length 12 angstrom. Okay, so this question is related with particle in one-dimensional box. This question is related with particle in one-dimensional box. Here mass of particle is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram. H means Planck constant is equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 27 erg into second. And C is velocity of light 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second. And last one is A means length. Length is 12 angstrom is equal to 12 into 10 to the power minus centimeter. Okay, so here in this case all unit gram erg into second, centimeter per second, and this centimeter are in CGS. Okay, so first for one dimensional box, what is the equation of energy? For one dimensional box, energy equation is, for one dimensional box, E is equal to n square s square upon 8m square. E is equal to n square s square upon 8m square. N is a energy level, h is a Planck constant, 8 m means a mass of the particle, and a is a length, that is 12 angstrom. Okay, so first one is, in this question lowest energy asked. It means what is the value of lowest energy? Lowest energy, it means for lowest energy the value of n is equal to 1. Okay, so for lowest energy the value of n is equal to 1. It means E is equal to, first one is n square, the value of n is equal to 1. It means 1 square into h. H is Planck constant 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 27 square divided by 8. Mass of the particle is given 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28. 9.1 10 28, okay, into a square. Here the value of a is 12 angstrom. Okay, so 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Okay, so I put the value 12 into 10 minus 8 square. Okay, so first one is 1 square is 1, second after 6.626 square is equal to 43.9 into 10 to the power minus 27 square. It means 10 to the power minus 54, and 8 into 9.1 into square of 12 is equal to 144. Square of 12 is equal to 144. Okay, So 8 into 9.1 into 144 is equal to 10483.2. Okay, so here in this case 10 to the power minus 28 into square of 10 to the power 8 is equal to 10 to the power 16 minus 16. Okay, so first 43.9 divided by 10483.2 is equal to 0.004187 into here 10 to the power minus 26 and 28 and 16 is equal to 10 to the power minus 44. Okay, so here 10 to the power minus 54, here sum of the 28 and 16 is equal to 44. If this 10 to the power minus 44 goes upper side, at that time it will become plus, it means 10 to the power 44. Okay, so is equal to 0.004187 into 10 to the power minus 54 plus 44 is equal to 10 to the power minus 10. Okay, so final answer will become, so in this case I replace 3 point in right direction, it means 4 into 18, at that time power will be decreased, it means 10 to the power minus 13. Okay, so here all unit are in CGS. CGS means centimeter, gram and second. So final answer of energy will becomes in erg. Okay, so final A is equal to 4.18 into 10 to the power minus 13 erg. 4.18 into 10 to the power minus 13 unit is erg. Okay, so final energy equation for particle in one dimensional box is 4.18 into 10 to the minus 13 erg. Okay, this is the lowest energy for particle in one dimensional box. Okay, so first write the equation of particle in energy for particle in one dimensional box, then after for lowest energy the value of n is equal to 1. Okay, so put the value of n, h, m, a in this equation and finally you get the value of E is equal to 4.18 into 10 to the power minus 13 erg. Okay, so another question is question number 2. Find out the degeneracy of particle moving in cubic box of length at energy level E is equal to 14 h square upon 8 m square. Okay, so this question is related with particle in cubic box. Okay, so for cubic box what is the value of energy? E is equal to h square upon 8 m square, h square upon 8 m square into bracket nx square plus ny square plus nz square. Okay, so this is the energy equation for particle in cubic box. Okay, so we discussed this energy equation in our previous lecture. So find the degeneracy of particle. Here energy is given, energy E is equal to 14 h square upon 8 m square. So I will put the value of E is equal to 14 h square upon 8 m square. Okay, so therefore the value of E is given 14 h square upon 8 m square is equal to, here in this case h square upon 8 m square and x square plus ny square plus nz square. Okay, so cancel out a square from both side and this term are also cancelled out. Okay, so therefore 14 is equal to nx square plus ny square plus nz square. Okay, so which value of nx, ny and nz is satisfied this equation? If I put the value of nx is equal to 1, ny is equal to 1 and nz is also 1, therefore 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 3, so it is not acceptable. Okay, so if I put the value of nx is equal to 1, ny is equal to 2 and nz is equal to 1, at that time 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, it means 1 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 6, so it is also not acceptable condition. Okay, so at that time the value of nx, ny, which value of nx, ny and nz are satisfied this equation. Okay, so if I put the value of nx is equal to 1, ny is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3, at that time 1 square is equal to 1 plus 2 square is equal to 4 plus 3 square is equal to 9, it means 1 plus 4 plus 9. So sum of the 1 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to 14. So it satisfied the equation number 1. Okay, so which value of nx, ny and z satisfied this equation? 1 plus it means nx is equal to 1, ny is equal to 2 and nz is equal to 3. Okay, therefore value of nx, ny and nz may have 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so in this case first one is 1, 2, 3. The value of nx is equal to 1, ny is equal to 2 and nz is equal to 3, and another side will become 1, 3, 2. 1 remain as a constant, interchange these two variable 1, 3, 2. Okay, so this is both are different quantum number. Okay, so third value will becomes 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. Okay, if I put the value of nx is equal to 2, ny is equal to 1 and nz is equal to 3 in equation number 1, at that time 2 square plus 1 square plus 3 square is equal to 14. Okay, so this is also acceptable solution for equation number 1. Okay, and another one, 2 is constant, replace these two variables, it means 2, 3, 1, and then after 3, 1, 2 is also a set of quantum number which satisfy equation number 1, and final ones 3 is remain constant, interchange these two term, it means 3, 2, 1. Okay, so there are 6 degenerate level which satisfy equation number 1, that is nx square plus ny square plus nz square is equal to 14. Okay, so therefore 6 degenerate level for energy equation A is equal to 14 square plus 8m square. Okay, so find out degeneracy. Degeneracy means how many sets of quantum number are for energy equation A is equal to 14 h square upon 8m square. First one is what is the meaning of degeneracy. Degeneracy means which set of quantum number which have similar value of energy but different value of wave function. Okay, so this 6 wave function satisfy energy equation is equal to 14 h square upon 8 m square. It means the value of degeneracy is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 6 degenerate different level which have similar value of energy but it have different value of wave function. Therefore degeneracy P is equal to 6 in this case. Okay, so the value of P is equal to 6. It means 6 quantum number have 6 different quantum number have similar value of energy. Okay, if you put any quantum number in this equation, nx square plus ny square plus nz square, so the value of nx square plus ny square plus nz square is always 14. Okay, so 6 degenerate level have same energy but it have different quantum number. Okay, so this 6 wave function have similar energy but different wave function. Here the value of nx is 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 3, 2. Here 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 2, 1. Okay, so out of 6 not any two are same. It means not any two quantum numbers are same in this case. So total degeneracy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay, so our next question number 3. Find out degeneracy of particle in moving a cubic box of length of energy is equal to, here I replace 14 by 9. Okay, so find out the degeneracy of particle moving in cubic box of length at energy level is equal to 9h square upon 8m square. So in this case, first is this is the energy equation for particle in a cubic box. So here in this case 14 is replaced by 9. Okay, so s square at m square both are cancelled at that time. Here the value of 9. Okay, nx square plus ny square plus nz square is equal to 9. This is the equation number 1. Okay, so which value of nx, ny and nz satisfy equation number 1. Okay, so if I put the value of nx is equal to 1, ny is equal to 1 and nz is equal to 1, at that time nx square 1 square 1 square 1 square is equal to 3, so it is not acceptable. If I put the value of 1 to 1, it means 1 square 1, 2 square 4 plus 1 square 1, it means 6. It is also not acceptable. If I put the value of 1 to 2, it means nx is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. At that time 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 2 square is equal to 4. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 9. So this is acceptable condition. Okay, so the value of nx, ny and nz may have 1 to 2. So the value of nx, ny and nz may have 1 to 2. It means 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. 1 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, so here in this case, how many degenerate set are possible? First I put the value of 1 to 2. Okay, now if I kept 1 is constant and interchange these 2 and 2, so it is the same. Another one 2 1 2 and last one is 2 2 1. Okay, so in this case only 3 set of degenerate state are possible, because here two value ny and nz, 2 variables are same. It means in this case 3 degenerate state level have 3 degenerate level having same energy, that is E is equal to 9h square upon 8ms square. E is equal to 9h square upon 8ms square. Okay, so the value of degeneracy will become P is equal to degeneracy, P is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so only 3 set of quantum number have a similar energy, but it have different wave function. Okay, so question number 4, calculate 0 point energy of an electron moving in rectangular box of length 2 angstrom, breadth 2.2 angstrom and depth 1.5 angstrom. Okay, so this question is related with particle in rectangular box. Here the value of length, breadth and depth are given, and the value of h is equal to 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 27 erg into second. This is the value of Planck constant, and small m, it means mass, is given 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram. Okay, so for rectangular box, first write the energy equation. Okay, so for rectangular box, A is equal to a square upon 8m into bracket nx square upon a square plus ny square upon b square and z square upon c square. Okay, so this is the energy equation for rectangular box. Here h is Planck constant, m is equal to mass, nx, ny and nz are 3 different level and energy level, and capital A, capital V, small a, small b and small c are length, width and height. It means here in this case length is given, so the value of A is equal to 2 angstrom is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Okay, and breadth, it means breadth and width both are same for rectangular box. V is equal to 2.2 angstrom is equal to 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Okay, and depth or height both are same. Depth means height in cube or rectangular any 3D box. C is equal to 1.5 angstrom is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Okay, so put the value of h, m, nx, ny, nz, small abc in equation of energy. So in this case, calculate 0 point energy. What do you mean by 0 point? What do you mean by 0 point energy? 0 point energy indicates the lowest value of kinetic energy for rectangular box. So for 0 point energy, the energy level is equal to 1. It means the value of nx is equal to ny is equal to nz is equal to always 1. Okay, so for 0 point value, 0 point energy, the value of nx, ny and nz is always 1. Okay, so E is equal to, now h square, it means 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 27 square upon 8 into mass of the particle is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 into bracket. Here the value of nx, ny and nz is equal to 1. So 1 square is equal to 1 upon a square. It means 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 a square plus 1 upon a b square. The value of b is equal to 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 8. 2.2 into 10 minus 8 2 plus the value of c is equal to 1.5 1 upon 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 8 square. Okay, so e is equal to the square of 6.62. The square of 6.62 is equal to 43 into 82. Okay, and square of 10 to the power minus 27, it means 10 to the power minus 54. Okay, here 8 into 9.1 is equal to 72.8 and into 10 to the power minus 28. Okay, so into bracket 1 upon square of 2 is equal to 4 plus into square of 10 to the power minus 8, it means 10 to the power minus 16 plus here 1 divided by square of 2.2, it means 4.84. Okay, 4.84 into square of 10 to the power minus 8, it is equal to 10 to the power minus 16 plus square of 1.5 is equal to 2.25. 2.25 into 10 to the power minus 16. Okay, so the value of energy is equal to, here first one is 43.82 divided by 72.8 is equal to 60.6019 into, here we common out 10 to the power minus 16 in denominator term because all term contain 10 to the power minus 16. Okay, so we common out 10 to the power minus 16, so minus 28 plus 16, it equal to 44. Okay, so we common out first 10 to the power minus 54, we common out 10 to the power minus 16, so 10 to the power minus 28 into 10 to the power minus 16, so remaining term will become 1 by 4, it means 0.25 plus 1 divided by 4.84 is equal to 0.2066 plus 1 divided by 2.25 is equal to 0.44. Okay, so 0.06019 here 10 to the power minus 28 into 10 to the power minus 16, it means 10 to the minus 44. If 10 to the power minus 44 goes upper side. At that time it will become plus. It means 10 to the minus 54 into 10 to the power 44. Okay, and the value of 0.25 plus 0.2066 plus 0.4 is equal to 0.90. Okay, so 0. is equal to 0.5417. Okay, so multiplication of 0.6019 with 0.9 is equal to 0.5417 into 10 to the power minus 54 plus 44. It means 10 to the power minus 10. Okay, so if I move 2 point from right side, if I move 2 point in right side, at that time 54.17, it means 10 to the power minus 10 minus 2, it means 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, so final equation of energy is equal to 54.17 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, so in this case units are given in CGS, second, gram, okay, centimeter. This is the CGS unit. So CGS unit of energy is erg. So the final value of energy is equal to So the final value of energy is equal to 54.17 into 10 to the power minus 12 erg. Okay, so in this sum, calculate 0 point energy of an electron moving in rectangular box. So for rectangular box, energy equation is equal to h square upon 8m into bracket nx square upon a square plus ny square upon b square plus nz square upon c square. So here in this case, 0 point energy, it means the value of nx, ny and nz all are equal. Okay, so put the value of all terms and finally we get the value of energy is equal to 54.70 into 10 to the power minus 12 erg. Okay, question number 5 is calculate the wavelength of absorbed energy when a particle is transformed from the lowest energy level to next level of a cubic box of length 2 angstrom. Okay, so this sum is related with cubic box. Okay, so calculate the wavelength of absorbed energy when its particle is transformed from lowest energy level to next level. So first, for lowest energy level, the value of nx, ny and nz, is equal to 1, 1, 1. Okay, so it is nothing but it is a 0 point energy. The lowest value of energy for cubic box is called 0 point energy. Okay, so for 0 point energy, the value of nx, ny, nz is equal to 1, 1, 1. Okay, so the energy in 111 is equal to n square upon h square upon 8ms square. The energy equation for particle in cubic box is equal to h square upon 8ms square into bracket nx square plus ny square plus nz square. Okay, so I put the value nx is equal to 1, ny is equal to 1 and nz is equal to 1. So E111 is equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, it means 3a square upon 8ms square. So the value of E11 is equal to 3a square upon 8ms square. Okay, and a particle is transformed from lowest energy level to next level. It means, what do you mean by next level? From energy level to next level. So for next level, any one variable becomes 2. It means nx for next energy level the value of quantum number nx, ny and nz is equal to any one variable becomes 2. It means for next level the value of any one variable change into 2. So in this case I change this one into 2. Okay, so this is the next level. It means nx is equal to 1, ny is also 1, but nz, in case of 0 point energy, nz is equal to 1, but for next level nz will become 2. So at that time energy E 112 is equal to, put the value of 112 in equation of energy. It means 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. It means 1 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 h square upon 8 ms square. Okay, so energy difference between two level, energy difference between two level is denoted by delta E. So therefore the value of delta is equal to, the value of delta is equal to highest energy minus lowest energy. Delta is means difference between two energy level. Highest energy minus lowest energy. The value of highest energy, it means for next level is 6h square upon 8ms square. 6h square upon 8ms square minus the value of lowest energy is 3h square upon 8ms square. 3h square upon 8ms square is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3h square upon 8ms square. Okay, so the value of delta is equal to 3h square upon 8ms square. The energy difference between two energy level, it means 6 minus 3, 3h square upon 8ms square. Okay, so from de Broglie equation we know that according to de Broglie equation, according to de Broglie equation, the value of delta is equal to hc upon lambda. Okay, hc upon lambda. While the value of h, it means Planck constant, c velocity of light, and lambda is wavelength. Okay, so in this example, calculate wavelength, it means we calculate the value of lambda. Okay, so delta is equal to hc upon lambda, but in this case we obtain the value of delta E. Delta is equal to 3h square upon 8ms square. Therefore the value of delta is equal to 3h square upon 8ms square is equal to hc upon lambda. hc upon lambda. Okay, so now cross multiplication, it means 3h square into lambda is equal to 8ms square into hc. 8ms square into hc. Okay, so the value of lambda is equal to 8ms square into hc divided by 3h square divided by 3h square. Okay, sorry, 3h square ready. 8ms square h into c, 8ms square h into c divided by 3h square. So cancel out 1h. So it will become only 8ms square into c divided by 3h. Now put the value of 8 and mass m is equal to 1.672 into 10 to the power minus 24 into A square, A is a length or edge for cubic box. For cubic box, length, width and height all are equal. Okay, so the value of A is equal to 2 angstrom. So I convert angstrom into centimeter because this all are units is Celsius acom. So I convert angstrom into centimeter. It means the value of A is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 square, and the value of C means velocity of light, is equal to C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10. C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10 divided by 3 into H. The value of H is equal to 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 27. Okay, so you simplify this all term and finally you get the value of lambda is equal to you simplify all the term, the value of lambda is equal to 0.0822 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so now in this case, if I move 5 points in right direction, it means in right place, at that time the value of this term will become 1.2345. It means 8220. At that time 10 to the power minus 3 minus 5, it will become minus 8. Okay, so if I move 5 point in right direction, at that time this is first, second, third, fourth and fifth is not given. Suppose I consider that is 0. Okay, so the value of 1 2 3 4 5, it means 8220, and here also minus 3 minus 5, it means minus 8. Okay, so the lambda is equal to 8220 into 10 to the power minus 8. Okay, centimeter, because in this case all units are given in CGS. Okay, so the value lambda is equal to here 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter is equal to 1 angstrom. So lambda is equal to 8220 angstrom. Okay, so this one lambda is equal to 0.0822 into 10 to the power minus 3, and this one and this, all three answers are right. All three answers are right. If you write this answer 0.0822 into 10 to the power minus 3, it is also right. This one is also right, and we conversion centimeter into angstrom. Therefore the value lambda is equal to 8220 into angstrom. Got it? Okay, this is also right. Okay, so in this case what do we calculate wavelength of particle when particle is moving from lowest energy level to next level. At that time the value of delta is equal to 3a square upon 8m square. Now from de Broglie equation, delta is equal to Sc upon lambda. So final value lambda is equal to 8220 angstrom. Okay, so in next lecture I will start on new theory, that is Schrodinger equation for hydrogen atom. It means Schrodinger equation in polar coordinates. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.